Hi guys, we have here the TENDLITE Send Pain Away Laser Therapy Treatment. Give you guys a quick unboxing. This is how you receive it once you order it. If you're looking to purchase this, please visit the link in the description below. Let's go ahead and open this up. Give you guys a quick unboxing of what you'll receive once you get this product. We'll do a review later on, and if it's any useful for pain. Let's go ahead and open that up. Oh, comes in a nice case. TENDLITE. Makes it portable. Every time you use it, you can put it back, make sure you don't get it lost or anything. Nice, elegant case. Go ahead and open that up. And there you have it. It says wait. Probably some instructions on how to use it. Here you got the battery, probably rechargeable battery. You have the batteries here. You have the safety glasses. You gotta wear these when you're using the laser. Protect your eyes. So it looks like that. And there you have the TENDLITE itself, nice and sturdy. Open that plastic up. So that's what it looks like that. Unscrew it, put the battery in. We'll do that in a second, but let's look at the instructions first. So this is what came with it. It says wait, so let's pull this out. Has this cord here. I wonder if you can attach it to this or not. Oh, maybe this is for the case itself. So let's go ahead and look at this. Wait. Do not return. It's unlikely the antenna was damaged. Our team is here to help. Any questions? Okay. Put that aside. TENDLITE manual. Always for this product, I guess it's good to read the manual. Usually we just go straight to the product. For this product, carry case, put that in there. Let me see if that works or not. Yeah, it's kind of tight. I don't know if that's meant for this or not. I probably should read the instructions. Probably clear it out. Oh, I guess it fits, so I guess it's meant for this. Nice little carrying case. Alright, let's take that out. What else is in here? So there's the case. Put those products back in. Got the battery charger. So I'm guessing these batteries are rechargeable. Haven't read about it yet. And you have obviously your eyeglasses. You want to keep those. Make sure you always use the eyeglasses. Manual. Okay. Top, bottom. Battery poles. 1 dose per treatment spot. 1 minute treatment once a day. For light pain, deep pain, 3 doses. Okay. Introduction. TENDLITE. Blah blah blah. Charging fast, clean, disinfecting. So yeah, it's a great manual. Let me just go ahead and put these batteries in there. I wonder if they come charged already or not, but we'll find out. So let's see if they come charged or not. Go ahead and open that up. Put the battery in there. I forgot how to do all this positive, negative stuff. Bottom pole. Okay. So negative goes towards that bottom. So they do send. Well, it's already turned on. They do send you 2 batteries, so that's great. Not sure how long they last each one, but whoa, forgot to put on the glasses and I'm using it. Alright, gonna put these safety goggles on, turn it on. And I'm not sure I'm supposed to point that into the camera, guys, but there you go. Just have a look at that light beam source, put on my hand. Oh, I can feel the heat already. Wow. So there you have it, guys, the TENDLITE. Turn that off. TENDLITE. I will do a review later on how it feels pain wise. Feel any reduction in pain, any sort of help. It is expensive. This goes for about $200, so I'll try to give you guys first-hand knowledge if I recommend it or not. But there you have it, guys, the TENDLITE, for those who want to see what the product looks like, what it comes with before ordering online. There you have it, guys. If you're looking to purchase this, please visit the link in the description below. Please subscribe to our channel, guys. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.